In this section, we're going to look at the button block. So here's my website. I'm going to click on the Contact Us page, and I'll just click up the top here to grab the URL. I'll press Ctrl+C to copy that into memory. I'll then go back to the dashboard, and I'll display my pages, and I'm going to display the home page. Right here I'm going to add a new block, and what I'm going to do is add the button block. So here I paste my URL into this section here. So there we go. Where it says add text, I can just click and add some text. So something like contact details. Something like that. Over here, if I want to, I can change the background color and the text color. So let's say I wanted the background color of red, and let's say I wanted to alter the text color. Probably best to go the white because it kind of stands out. That'll probably do. So if I go and update this, and then if I bring up the home page and go and look at it, if I click on where it says contact details, notice down at the bottom left you've got the address there. If I click on it now, sure enough, it goes to the Contact Us page. And that's how you use the button block.